I've got a soft spot for this guy because his dad, Jeff, was the first Secret Service agent on my detail almost 2 years ago. UAW servicing agent John Mohan is in the house.
Sin embargo, como un agente pulido listo para utilizarse, son más escasas que los diamantes.
More hazardously, she spilled yogurt on the Secret Service, which you just... The agent just stood there, just looking at her.
In addition to the return of Alan Gross and the release of our intelligence agent, we welcome Cuba's decision to release a substantial number of prisoners whose cases were directly raised with the Cuban government by my team.
And so, those of you who are interested in purchasing stock in her, I'm sure she has an agent of some sort that you can talk to. She's going to be a change agent. She's going to reach back and help folks like her succeed. And people